going to understand Python operations in that loc, iloc, create CSV file and Excel file, and checking missing values. So let's understand what is Pandas. Pandas is a powerful Python library used for data analysis and data manipulation. It helps us work with structured data such as storing data in CSV file, Excel sheets, and databases. Using Pandas, we can perform tasks such as filtering data, handling missing values, and sorting data. So this is the example of Pandas. Here we are importing Pandas library and load the dataset, that is movies.csv. It is a dataset. Firstly, we import the Pandas library and load the dataset, that is movies.csv. Let's execute this code. So this output shows the first 5 rows of dataset, and each row represent movies and each column represent movies related information such as titles, ratings. Before working with any dataset, it is very important to understand its structure. So let's understand its structure. Info, execute. So this output gives us total number of rows and columns, in column names, data types of each column names, and information about the missing values. It helps us understand which columns are numericals and which are contain null values. Now let's understand what is LOC. LOC, which is used for label based indexing. Using LOC, we select data by row labels and column name. So let's take an example. LOC 0. Here 0 is the row label and LOC work using labels. So let's execute this code. So the output show the entire first row of dataset, index, budget. Using LOC, we can also update or modify a single value in a dataset. Here 0 is the row labels, what average is the column name, and 9.5 is the changing value. So let's execute this code. Here it changed the vote average 9.5. Before value is 7.2 and after we change it 9.5. Next is create CSV file. So Pandas also allow us to save data into CSV file. So here is the example of creating new file. You can see there is a no file called output movie.csv. So let's execute this code. Okay, it takes some time. Here it create another file called output movies.csv. Next is to create Excel file. For this creating, we use to Excel for creating new Excel file. So let's execute this code. Here it create a output underscore movie Excel file. Next is checking missing values. So the dataset often contain missing value. So first we check how many missing values exist. df dot is null. It is used to detect missing values in dataset dot sum. It count the column wise count. So let's execute. So the output show the number of missing values in each column. Next is to detect null and missing values. So here isNull is used for detecting missing values and null values, and any axis it is used to check row wise. So let's execute this code. Here is the output. It shows only those rows that contain at least one missing values. Here 10, 15, 24, 27, it contain missing values and null values.